Today we are going to discuss about all queries about the vaccination for cardiac patients. So don't skip this video. I will clear all your doubts. Let's go. First question is it safe to take vaccine for cardiac patients? Yes, it is safe for cardiac patients because this when you take a vaccination for COVID, it has minimal side effect when compared to COVID related complications. Most of the people are died from COVID. Mainly it includes diabetic patients, cardiac patients and kidney patients and cancer patients also. So in this manner, if you take a vaccine for COVID, you can prevent these complications. So it is safe and good for taking vaccine for cardiac patients. And the next common query is what about the persons who are already taking any medications for their current cardiac treatment? Should they able to take vaccine? Yes, they can take vaccine without any complications because the main medications for the cardiac patients including blood thinners. The blood thinners mainly including antiplatelets and anticoagulants. Antiplatelets including medicines like aspirin. So this aspirin is mainly given for patient who is already gone for any angioplasty and stent procedure. So in this manner they can take or gone for vaccination without any complication and also to prevent COVID related complications. And the next one is anticoagulants. Anticoagulants are mainly used by the patients who is gone for any valve replacement surgery. In this manner, if they are going for any vaccination for COVID, before taking vaccination, they should go for a blood test which is mainly called INR test. This INR test helps to measure the how much time to take blood to clot. In this manner, the value of the INR test or score will be between 2 to 3. This 2 to 3 is normal. If their value is 2 to 3, they can go for vaccination. But if the value is more than 3, they should able to consult a doctor, and in this manner a referral of doctor should be necessary to go for vaccination. So this is the answer for medication related queries. And the next common query is which vaccine is safe? Whether a Covishield, Covaxin and Oxford and Sputnik, all other vaccines. These all vaccines are safe. No one is better than other, or all are equal and equally made for the patients, mainly for peoples. So you can take vaccine which one is available and you can go for vaccination to prevent the COVID related complications. So each vaccine have minimal side effects, but when compared to COVID, these vaccine side effects are minimal and less severe. So you can go for vaccination and you can prevent the COVID related complications like pneumonia and all other problems. And the next common query is about the older adults, because these older adults are not going everywhere. So in this manner they are residing in their homes during this COVID pandemic. So the question is, should they want to take vaccine immediately? The answer is yes. They need to go for vaccination without any delay. The main answer is about their immunity. Their immunity level is comparatively low when compared to other persons or children and all other peoples. So we don't know about the people who is carrier in our home. So the carrier people can able to transfer their infection to other people also. So if you take vaccine, you can prevent the COVID complications and COVID infections to these older adults. So in this manner, if you take vaccine, you can prevent COVID and also prevent all other complications. These are all the main queries about vaccination for cardiac patients. So if you have any doubt, feel free to ask me. I will help you through my video. I will reach you with another day with another topic. Thank you all. Have a nice day.